Alright, this is a standard Eagle T200. The only difference being yours has the arch extension, which raises the entire upper tape head assembly higher to accommodate your tall carton. To try to simulate your situation, because you do have a tall carton, you'll notice here that we have that upper tape head assembly pretty high up right now. Close enough where if you went to change the upper tape head out, pulled the pin and tried to lift this out, it would make contact with the arch. You'll notice I took some masking tape, or I'm sorry, some painter's tape, and marked the side with the ruler system where basically it says where you would run for production and where it needs to go to change that roll of tape out. This just is a nice guide to make it a little easier on your operators. So they know quickly where to go when using the adjustment handle on the top. So we're going to go ahead and quickly show you how to do that. Go ahead. So this would be, once you notice that you're getting ready to run out of tape and or have run out of tape, so you pull the release pin, pull the upper tape head out. You can set it on the roller table or on your conveyor. We're going to take the new roll of 3-inch tape, push it down onto the core holder. You do have a little diagram on the tape head. The big thing means tack sides facing up. Pull it through the tape head. You'll notice that you can grab the knife blade guard, pull it open, and then pull the tape through the head, and that will cut it for you automatically. Once the new roll of tape is loaded, slide it back down in. Make sure your release pin is in place. Take the handle, raise it back up to the run position. For your particular application, I do know that you have 1 or 2 spare tape heads per machine. I might suggest that maybe in the morning before you start production that someone take the extra tape heads and load them with new rolls of tape. That'll make the changeover even quicker as you run through production. That way you're simply lowering it, pull the tape head out, put the new one in, raise it back up, and you're back up and running. I'm going to do a second video here in a minute showing how to splice the tape versus what we just did here. Alright, part 2 of the video. You'll notice that we have a small roll of tape on the upper tape head, just again to simulate the roll about to run out, or maybe it did run out. In this video we're going to splice a new roll in without having to lower the upper tape head assembly. So I suggest coming in with a knife, let me get out of the way here, or a pair of scissors, and you'll make a cut closer to the roll of tape. Go ahead. Take that and just kind of let it sit. You'll take the old roll of tape, pull it off the core, discard that, take the new roll, slide it on, again with the adhesive facing up. Take the two, splice them together, reach underneath. We're doing this a little slower now just to kind of show you. You'll reach underneath and help pull that through. As long as you have them spliced together nice, it should pull through without coming apart. You'll take that the cutting blade guard, slide it out of the way, pull it taut, and you'll cut it, and there you go. You just changed out a roll of tape without having to move the upper tape head assembly.